In this video, I will teach you how to create a fillable PDF form in Jotform. So let's just begin with that. First of all, what you need to do is simply head over to your templates and head over to form in here. You can see we have that. So what you need to do is to add a form. You can search in here for PDF or something like that. You can see we have delivery receipt form. So basically, pretty much all of these forms could be used in PDF. You can head over to this one, use this template. By the way, before we begin, you can head over to the link in the description below to easily get 50% off and unlock premium features that are going to be helping you to make amazing forms. So head over to the link in the description below. Now here you can see we have this kind of form opened up. We can customize this, add elements. Let's just say we want to add in here an email, full name, or maybe anything related to payment. So it could be, let's just say you want to add Skrill information, you can add that, or maybe any type of widget. Let's just say you have terms and conditions before this, you can add that. And we also have basics, like for example. So these are going to be helping you to create the best type of form. Now you can publish it, and you can see you can invite by email, open in a new tab. You can see we have this setting option as well, so we have multiple options to choose from this as well. So this is going to be a fillable form, and I hope this helps. Make sure to see you in the next video, and also subscribe to our channel.